Hi Noah, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time to review this quick little video. I'm going to kind of show you where you stand on the internet and compare you to your competitors. So I'm going to go over just a few things, just content, backlinks, and citations, and then I'll show you what it might be like if you do this. So just wanted to point out a couple things. I did a couple different Google searches. Restoration Companies, Roseburg, Oregon. As you can see, you're number one here in what we call the map pack, which is awesome, and you definitely want to stay there. Down here is what we call the organic listings. Again, you want to be on that first page. I also did water damage, Roseburg, Oregon. Again, you're number one in the map pack, and that's where you want to stay. So one thing with content is Google likes to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on the competition and the number of keywords. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Google likes information. So in that content, you can strategically place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be put in front of when people are searching for it. So with restoration, you want to restoration in Roseburg, Douglas County, whatever your service areas are, you want to tell Google that so it can tell its users. So as you can see, you have a great looking website. It does have some pictures and some great information. Let's look at this one. Again, another good looking website. Pictures can be considered content as well, as long as it is labeled and applied correctly. So we do have some great looking websites around here. This one could use a little more content, but that's okay. That's why we want to keep you up in number one. So let's look at backlinks. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable text. The idea is that these links act as endorsements for your websites from others with Google users to build trust in your business and by seeing others vouching for you. It's pretty much a popularity contest where the person with the most wins. However, not all backlinks are created equal, so you definitely want relevant and quality versus quantity. As you can see, this one, you have 83 backlinks. This company, it's not showing any backlinks, but they're right up there with you, so you definitely want to stay ahead of them. Here's a ton of backlinks on this one, but you are beating them out. So another way to stay on top is I can actually look and see what their backlinks are and then match them and beat them. Another thing I wanted to go over is citations. Citations is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. They're in places in various directories such as Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureau. There are thousands of these directories out there, and you can list your business in them. It is tedious and time consuming, but these are what help you rank and in this map pack and stay up at number one, which is extremely important, especially for local businesses, because it can generate a huge amount of revenue. The idea is these begin to add up, creating your online presence, allowing you to be seen more often by both people and Google. Once Google sees you more than your competitors, then they're more likely to rank you above them. So that's a great way to stay up at number one. Another thing I wanted to point out is once your content, backlinks, citations are all coming together and you're staying above your competitors, here's another thing to look at. If I go here, okay, this one's not getting a whole lot of organic traffic, but they're right up there with you. I look at this. Again, they're not getting a whole lot of organic traffic either, and you're only getting 9. So if we go in and look at your keywords and different ways that you could pop up, that can definitely generate additional business for you. I would love to have a quick chat with you. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you can just respond with a little feedback on what you thought of the video, that would be great. I appreciate you taking the time to review this, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you, Noah.